This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 14 or later and the Apple News app installed. Once that's confirmed, unlock your device and pick the screen where the widget will live. Press and hold an empty area until icons jiggle, then tap the plus icon in the top corner to open the widget gallery. Make sure to scroll or search for news. This gets you directly to the widget choices, so you can pick size and placement without extra setup steps. Once you see the news widget options, choose a size that matches how many headlines you want visible. Small shows one, medium shows multiple. Tap Add Widget and then drag it into position while icons still jiggle, or release to drop it into a stack. If you prefer dynamic content, add news to a smart stack so it rotates with other widgets. Otherwise, place a single news widget for focused headlines. Make sure spacing and alignment match adjacent icons for a tidy look. After placing the widget, long press it to access settings, pick channels or topics so the feed matches your interests, and confirm Siri suggestions or show more options if available. Once done, make sure background app refresh is enabled and news has network permissions so content updates. Otherwise, stories may not refresh. If the widget freezes or shows blank content, remove it and re-add, or restart your device. These steps resolve most sync glitches and restore live headlines quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.